What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Mr. Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see, it's nighttime, man. It's my first time doing a night POV drive. Actually, I just got off of work. It's 3:30 in the morning right now. Fresh off of work, going home, and I thought, man, it'll be perfect time to probably film a nighttime POV. Because, you know, I never did one of these before, and, you know, I like to be doing some stuff when I get off of work, and sometimes I meet runs and whatever. So let's go ahead and put this thing in. It's twice. Woo! Tell y'all, man, we get. Oh, y'all hear that? Oh my gosh! I know y'all see that. I know y'all hear that. Oh my god! It's one thing, man. This light, man, this thing take forever, bro. Like, it don't make no sense. Like, they really need to fix the sensor on this one, man. This light be taking forever. The G37, man, I'm telling y'all, boy, this thing is something else. I be driving at night, boy. I be whipping this thing at night. I ain't even gonna lie, man. I be trying to take advantage of the clear roads, and they all in my way. They all in my way. Get out my way. Get out my way. I'm gonna do a video like this with the 35 as well, too. Man, oh my gosh, 37, boy. I tell you the truth, boy. I really tell y'all, man, if y'all in the market to get a 37, man, go ahead and cop one. Real fun car, bro. Real fun car. Especially when you drop it in gear. It's just ready to go, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm gonna start doing more POVs like this. I'm probably gonna shoot another G37 POV drive at night, probably within the next week or two. Just because, you know, you just never know who I might run up on, man. Cause sometimes I be getting these runs, and sometimes y'all don't believe me, man. I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm really about that life. So if I could put it on camera one of these nights or whatever, that'd be dope. But I be, especially like right there, like when that straightaway, where I hit that straightaway, man, I be doing the most. I ain't gonna lie. Like, and by the way, I'm filming this video in Mexico, if y'all wondering. I'm filming this video in Mexico. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get y'all another pull, another hard pull. man, so y'all can really see how this thing operates for real. This thing go. I ain't gonna lie, this G37, man, love this car. I want to do more videos like this, y'all. I want to do more videos of me driving, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? And even me not like just going fast, but just driving, man. Because that's one thing that I wanted to do on this channel, was I wanted to do a lot of driving videos, but I never got a chance to really do that because I was kind of so caught up into, you know, getting views and stuff like that, not really like doing what I really want to do on this channel. And you know, all that changes this year. You know, I want to do what I want to do. I want to do more POV drives. Well, you know, that's part of driving videos, but yeah, you know, just driving in general, man. Just driving in general. I want to bring back car talks with Reg this year. I want to do some reactions. You know, I want to rent a car, you know, for a weekend and try to get, you know, do some reactions. Maybe try to get, you know, 2 of them this year, hopefully. So you know, I want to get back to doing what I love to do, and what really made me start YouTube is because I wanted to be, I wanted to do everything on my channel. I wanted to build. I want to do like reactions. I want to like do car reviews. I want to do all of that, man. I want to get back to my true identity. I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all have it? Go get you one. I'm not playing. If y'all haven't, go get you one. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. But yeah, man, I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the post notifications if you don't have the post notifications on, because you never know when I might drop, man. I know it's only been dropping 1 video a week after I told you I was gonna do 2. I'm trying to pick up my recording pace. I'm trying to think of new ideas. I'm trying to do all that. Also, don't forget to like the video, comment, let me know if you guys like videos like this. Y'all want more driving videos, because driving videos are definitely coming this year. And yeah, man, let's do one more pull. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.